Everyone, my name is Madison and I'm excited to show you this beautiful Zafari jewelry pearl necklace with the mini emerald pendant. This jewelry is really high quality, and as you'll see, it is really unique with the mini emerald on there. It is beautiful and can be worn alone or can be stacked with other necklaces and pendants, and the emerald can actually be removed from the necklace as well. So if you wanted to add it to another chain, that is an option. And again, as you can see, it is really beautiful to wear. It goes with a ton of different outfits, and the pearls are bright white and really good quality. I'm excited to wear this and pair it with a bunch of different outfits and see how I can style it.